Story day, yes, I will not come for una. The first story for here, Nadi matter. So 11-year Pikin, 11-year Pikin, a father, of he talks with papa for a woman, master for imami, sorry, master for imami, Dele is second papa. That Pikin, 11-year Pikin, he take that Pikin, he rape that Pikin for before and for back. He raped that Pikin as I tell una countryman, countrywoman for before and for back. Every time when purpose know the house, he take that Pikin before for back, he rape him. And they learn say that 2 years this. That means say he start do that thing with that Pikin dey 9 years. And then at the end of the day, the Pikin he tell him mommy. Now him mommy he enter trouble. He talk am say na him asa dey do that thing for a Pikin. They go make medical test them. They discover say na true. Say he don't go for that Pikin, that play with that Pikin. He go for toilet with him, and then he go for the other before place. He do bad thing. Chakara that Pikin sote. Now funny the mommy name. Now we talk am. He talk at the vex. See the way justice dey, you know correct. See the person way he don't surely do this for a Pikin. They never hold it. They do say now which kind of mama and guru get away that for Pikin do. Now so it happen, countryman, countrywoman. Another matter. Now for that side for Yaoundé. So Reme, 62 years old Reme, in name na François Madeleine Ngolo. He fall in love with Michel Ongolo. Michel Ongolo, he tell Reme say, you know, na you. If you know me na you, je peux me mourir pour le terre. Je peux me mourir pour le terre, see. That mean, he must have been die for that side for Kwabang. So if Jordan na E1, na so the Michel Ongolo, he don't got tonto head for that Reme, make us say that Reme to say, na true love, with that man they talk for you. He come for that Reme house, he do mami with that Reme. Now on the 19th, the story carry now. On the 19th of last month, where I don't enter for that side for the remedy stay na Mimboman. Sorry, the remedy na for Kate Mimboman for Yaoundé. And then it is say for Kwabang. Yes. It is main market for that side for Kwabang, for Marché Kwabang, but it is stay na Mimboman. So Michel Ongolo don't enter house with Chirareme. They don't do their mami finish. What I wish can query on a way to happen no is stand nakam. In knock that Reme sote, he kill that Reme, and then he run with kako for that Reme. That means say, let's say that's on to a tete way. If you want to say that Reme nang small, nang spray, make a nari, take all it in them, he chop with them, countryman. Now so it happen. So as I tell now, Mama Mado, he don't quarrel with my boyfriend Michel Ongolo. He quarrel with his hand. He give blow them pam. Hey, na so Mama Mado, he don't go na so. So they receive fine, so take a rich now. They need say they need to catch it. We remain for that side for Yaoundé countryman, a countrywoman. Wait to happen for Yaoundé again. Now for that quarter where they call us say Simbok. The one now for last 2 months. That means saying March, the 9th of March. Where the boy he go take he do na bensikin. He take bensikin, he go carry ingano. That's what they call for France say copine, but for winanga. He go carry inga. He way name na Leticia. For that side for Tekase. The girl be there they do German classes. They say Buango Germany. He go take ina, he carry go house. As he carry the girl go house, he move knife, chook the girl killer one time. That means say you carry your best skin, go carry ye. As usual, take it go house, go chook and kill him. As he chook the girl kill him, he say be one key himself. As he one key himself, what na wait to happen when I fear he no key himself. But he win himself. They can't catch you now. They carry go for that side for Warapita, for BMRC. BMRC Warapita. They reach for the police them, they put handcuff. They handcuff it. As they handcuff it, so they cure it because after that they get for go carry go court for judge before they put it for ngata. Now that they don't go for go bury Leticia. Family for Leticia one come back, they discover say demon no dey again. Even for Zimbabwe, na quarter for Judas don't pum. He don't chop pum. He no dey nowhere to be found. As I talk for una so, they find it today still go reach tomorrow. They never see Judas. Who say Judas don't go? Now who help Judas? So tell Judas chop pum. Now the question we all will ask for understand. Countrywoman, more enter for another Tory day. If you want marry a woman, look and find, ask question, not just begin rush. Because he tell you say, he come on and bang. Because he tell you say, if papa and mommy they get dough, you go remember say you want marry quick, because you don't get opportunity for live a better life. No matter the boy this, he enter for restaurant. Where he did manage his own small life for, he enter for restaurant, he nyama, and then he see some fine girl for day. He start that kind of thing there way. They want make us say for that kind of way, for make us say me turn that girl back, put her for down. As he start talk with the girl, already Tory way come over the girl up. Mes parents, mon père et ma mère sont mes parents. Mon père et ma mère sont mes parents. And then he talk say they get money. It is so he just come now for Europe, and then they for this and that, they do this and that. It is this. That boy says, see opportunity. Opportunity no they come now 2 times. It come now 1 time. Say I go use this opportunity now for go before. No be in that countrywoman. He take the opportunity for how we can use them. Now time we take that woman now. 6 weeks after their discussion, married don't enter. The man not waste time. Now we discover say. Na big lie. Say that girl, if you work for that restaurant, I say that restaurant owner, if you like auntie, well, Coty Francois be really sing up. Yeah. Black stay, oh, lansa, like. Yeah. Black stay, oh, lansa, countryman, he don't go be for some way. Now, he read. Time for Chinese. He don't take na clock on a watch. He read for Chinese. Mignon, panyon thinking. Atan fonkion fonton. Kacho man katan. Yes, he don't say no one that girl again. You know want the girl because say the girl don't lie. Say you get money, you be rich person. Why you no be rich person? Countrywoman. We go for that side for South Africa. What happened for day? Hey. So mommy born a pikin for a belly, and they take that pikin sell am for some witch doctor. Say me they use a pikin for sacrifice. The man define pikin for buy am. That woman take say say a pikin. They pikin me there 6 years where mommy sell am for jabu man. Say me jabu man use do all jabu the way want out am. How it happen? Direme, he take 2 friend them, one in Jumba. Rachel Shante Smith and Kelly Smith. The 2 boy them, they don't hold them too. Now he take him, he sell them through the boy them. The medicine man, the jabu man give how much? $1,000. Countrywoman. $1,000 now how much for France CFA? Now about 77,000 approximately 577,000. See the amount where mommy born pikin. It men am so take 6 years. It go sell am. Say me they make juju with the pikin. Cha, that thing don't pass me. It don't pass me, countrywoman. We go for that side for Nigeria. We there for Nigeria. Some girl for that side for Nigeria for Kanu, they carry go for court. They carry go for court for Sikaweti. Say Herira Mohammed and the other one them, the other man in name na Sanguru Shuaibu. One na the first massa Mohammed. Second one na the second massa. So the woman he don't go married number first man. I wait they stay for 1 house. He go marry number 2 man. He talks say never married. Una know say polyandry they against the law for Cameroon, for Nigeria, and all of Africa. But polygamy they correct. So they for court now. They say if you no look out, they go give you prison. They go prison small for that kind of way they do am. How you feel marry 2 man picking them illegally? If they be understand, you talk for them, then they accept. No problem. But we take man, it is na be a first master, or you get other second one with the high time, or the first and only master. You get other one way you the high time. Hey, that you know correct no countryman. Countrywoman. Go for that side for Miss Cameroon. Ma tell una di matter, a name na Princess Esse. Princess Esse na Miss Cameroon 2023. He don't go for India. For go participate for the 72nd edition for Miss World. Miss World it take place for India, and 107 candidates for represent 107 countries. Then for the world they go there. The event go take place now for Hyderabad. Hyderabad way last time it go take place on the 37th. No, they no come on. You want create calendar senator. The 31st of May this year for in Hyderabad for India. Una know say the last edition na some girl for Czech Republic. Sorry, Czechoslovakia cannot exist again. For Czech Republic, Kristina Piskova. Na be winner, countryman, countrywoman. How are the chin day? The way the chin day. Have you started that song for una? Who no know, 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 It don't budget. Malok Sinakosi, they fight. Pam pam. Malok say Kosi na Kosinel. Kosi say Malok and a woman. It make 1,000 posts for one day for the talk the same thing them. Bra. And Malok say you don't go for Nigeria. They don't do this for you. Do this and that. I don't know what will happen. Countryman. So now so the thing happen. Countryman, countrywoman. It don't happen so. Kosi in a Malox, they did not come. Malox don't use opportunity. It takes them bam. It not come for Stanley Eno. We Stanley Eno no concern with that their query. That's all the thing they. Kosi say me Malox tell you the last time we make concert as part for that Palais de Sport. No one. He recently for Canal Olympiana 10,000 people they be around. Now so Malox say me Kosi tell you the last time we make punchline. Like rapper, say don't turn on a singer coupe de Kalewe, it make na dance, and then they can sing and they talk say it be rapper. And he go countryman, countrywoman. Malok say he don't go for Nigeria, go give back pay for do collaboration with Nigeria and them. That means say pam. The problem I say Stanley can't do waiting for inside. When Stanley no they talk there, they talk that matter. Now they call us say collateral damages, countryman. Countrywoman, we go talk now with you. We enter for a support. We talk support. How we want to talk support now? We talk we can support. We come for MTN Elite 1. MTN Elite 1 program them where they go take place over this weekend and so they go reach on Wednesday. CTFP with Forsten bless me that they don't send message. The message na seweti. They say this Saturday on the 10th of May for that side for Japoma Annex Stadium for 3 p.m. Which go take place. Ege Royal for Mongo go play with AS Fortuna. And then for Sunday 11 May for Stade Mbapelepe for 2 p.m. Dynamo for Douala go play against Victoria United. And then for 4 p.m. so for Stade Mbapelepe, Astro for Douala go play against Colombe Sportif for Ja and Lobo. And then on the 14th, that means next week, when on Wednesday, which go take place for Stadium for Bamenzi for 2 p.m. Young Sport Academy for Bamenda he go play against 4th Azu Elite for Yaoundé. And then for 4 p.m. PWD for Bamenda for that same Bamenda Stadium go play against Canon Sportif for Yaoundé. Canon and Gazelle way for the 27th day of play. They don't play and then they get 0-0. One draw match. Then for that side for Mbunda, for 3 p.m. Bambutus de Mbuda, where they don't talk say they go, they no go beat them again for MTN Elite 1. After they say they come, after they say they go, after they say they come, they don't come now talk say they go and be again. For Mbuda, Bambutus go play against Panther, Fondé, Countrywoman. Now they fix now different match that fixtures for match where go take place. We will give you now the result for the 22nd day of play, which is the classement. Union Sportif for Douala play 0-0 with PWD for Bamenda. Dynamo and Aigle Royal for Mongo did not play because Aigle will be absent. I was saying at 3 points for Dynamo. 4th Azu Elite for Yaoundé. Enak Stade Renard for Melon 1-0. AS Fortuna for Fou. It give Victoria United 5-0. Massa, they grind the like a Nyamangoro on a like a pepper, la gata pepper. So pia for I. Panther Fondé, it give 4-1 for Astro for Douala. Bambutu Sombuda and Colon Sportif for Jai Lobo absent. Colon for Sportif for Jai Lobo be day for Mbuda. Na Bambutu no show up. Carton Sport knock Canon for Yaoundé 2-1. And then Gazelle and Young Sport absent because Young Sport, he talks say you no one play again. Say them will give money before you continue to play. So now say happen. Then for classification table now, we get first club. Now Column the Jai Lobo with 83 points. Gazelle FA for Garoua. Now second with 44 points. Cotton Sport for Garoua. Now third with 40 points. Number 4, Panther Sportif Fondé. Now number 4 with 39 points. Number 5, Victoria United, 34 points. Number 6, Canon Sportif for Yaoundé, 31 points. Number 7, 4th Azu Elite for Yaoundé, 31 points. Number 9, As for Douala, 29 points. Number 8, Stade Renard for Melon, 29 points. Number 10, PWD for Bamenda, 25 points. Number 11, AS Fortuna from Fou, 24 points. Number 12, Dynamo for Douala, 24 points. And then, for red zone, we get Aigle for Mongo, we get 23 points. In the 13th position. 14th position, we get Union Sportif for Douala with 18 points. And then, for 15th position, we get Bambutus from Buda with 17 points. And then, number 16, Aigle Royal, Young Sport and number 16. Now the classement that Countryman, Countrywoman, for that way concerns MTN Elite 1. More talk now about MTN Elite 2. What did happen, Countryman, Countrywoman? Now result for 18 days of play. Edding Sport for Leke, a win AS Fab for Yaoundé 1-0. Union Sportif da Bombang, he knocked Tone Kalara Club 2-0. In Social for Limbe, he play match nul with Bafman United 1-1. And then Jiko FC, when I know say, but don't go there, no. Fufu don't go, Fufu no play ball, Fufu go get 3 points. For classification now, we get Edding Sport for Leke, 28 points, number 1. Now for Pool A. Number 2, Bafman United, 26 points. Number 3, Tone Kalara Club, 25 points. Number 4, Aigle Royal for Menua, 25 points. Number 5, Ishosa of Limbe, 22 points. Number 6, AS Fab for Yaoundé, 20 points. Number 7, Union Sportif for Abombang, 19 points. Number 8, Fufu Club for Baham, 15 points. And then number 9, Jinko for that side for Banjul. Now so he passed. Now you get the last point, maybe number 9. And then for Pool B, which it take place, Countryman, Countrywoman. The different matches and the results. For Football Club Yaoundé 2, he lost 1-4 against Alenti Sport for Kribi. Unisport for Onkam, he lost against Rasen for Bafusam. Gokitunja for Bamenda, he lost against Avion Academy for Yaoundé. Ape just from full, he no playing a football. He playing a handball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 goes to 1 against Dragon for Yaoundé. Now board that. Ndambana sense. Classification for Pool A and B. We don't give una A already. Aviom Academy for Douala 29 points. Unisport for Onkam 23 points. Kitunja for Bamenda 20 points. Winner number 3. Number 4 Atlantic Sport Academy for Kribi 21 points. Number 5 Apejes for Mfu 20 points. Number 6 Rase for Bafusam 20 points. Number 7 Club for Yaoundé 13 points, and number 8 sorry Dragon de Yaoundé with 3 points. Now so the team de countryman country woman now the tori that. And then another tori na Parabandamba Champions League, European Champions League. Samuel Eto'o fees be there for Parc des Princes Stadium for PSG yesterday. For tribune, VIP tribune, they invite you, and then video and pictures, and the way they circulate, where they show the way they receive it. Big respect. And for the presence where Paris win Arsenal 2-1 for qualify for finals for Champions League. The last time where some team for France will win Champions League, and not say they nobody call us a Champions League, now Olympique Marseille. And in 1993. And the match they play for Munich. So the final will take place for Munich, Inter de Milan, PSG. Now we go win. Now the question that we ask them, they go hard. It go hard, countryman. And then we go follow up today too. For Ndamba Palaba. Manchester United, it play semi-finals for Europa League. Now so it will take place. It will play against Bilbao. The match, away leg match, Manchester will win 3-0. So now so the team they countryman, countrywoman. Now for we will put end for the small story. As I always talk, if you see my back, then you know say my belly is there for before. Now only small time again.